All right, Dave, thank you. Well, tonight, the first sentencing in the case involving corruption in North Charleston, 8 defendants facing charges, including 3 former city council members. Cameron Limes talked with lawyers on both sides of this bribery and wire fraud case. And Cam, the defendant pleading guilty last fall. What did the judge decide today?
Ashley, a federal judge sentenced Tory Fields to 1 year and a day in prison. Then he'll be under supervision for 3 years. His defense attorney tells me the punishment could have been much worse. Fields, do you want to say anything really quick about your sentencing today?
Good Friday.
Those were the only words Hassan Tory Fields spoke while leaving the federal courthouse in downtown Charleston this morning.
I asked for probation and we didn't get it, but it could have been much worse.
Judge Richard Gergel handed Fields a sentence of 1 year and a day, along with 3 years of supervised release and 100 hours of community service. The judge heard directly from Fields, who said, quote, "I am remorseful and disappointed in myself." Fields' defense attorneys hope to make an emotional plea to the judge, bringing multiple community members to speak on behalf of their client.
I suppose it worked to some degree, but it didn't cross the finish line.
The prosecution claims this sentence is setting a precedent for all following cases.
We think it's an important step as the process of holding those who participated in this accountable unfolds. There are 6 other defendants who will be sentenced in the coming months.
Fields was one of 8 people arrested during a federal corruption probe in 2025. 3 of those suspects were North Charleston City Council members.
The consequence for the citizens of the city of North Charleston was the same, in that it affects their trust in elected officials and their faith that the elected officials are acting in their best interests and not in the public officials' own best interests.
6 other people along with Fields have entered guilty pleas, including Aaron Hicks, Michelle Stint-Hilton, Mike Brown, Donovan Moten, Jerome Hayward, and Sandino Moses. Working for you, Cameron Limes, News 4.